Every death take a shot. Nah, every death take a singular M&M.
Peanut M&M.
Of course, not peanut butter M&M.
You know, peanut M&Ms are good. Peanut butter ones, weird and gross.
What?
What'd you say, Paul?
Peanut M&Ms, amazing. Peanut butter M&Ms, weird and gross.
Fuck you. I love peanut butter M&Ms. They are the best fucking M&Ms you can buy.
Disagree with that.
No,
but agree with the
disagree.
sentiment.
No, they're my
I
favorite.
disagree with them being the best. They're good though.
They are the best.
Caramel M&Ms.
I lived off those at OCC.
Dan put me on caramel M&Ms one time. I've always wanted that dark blue fucking bag again.
The caramel ones is fucking slap.
Mm-hmm. They have no right to even be considered a candy. That's a delicacy. But not peanut over peanut butter?
No, peanut butter is better than peanuts. But the peanut ones are good too.
Now, if they combine the two, you know?
Are they flashing?
There's not enough peanut in my peanut, you know?
I mean, the peanut M&M's mostly peanut.
Yeah, well, I need more peanut. I need more of that peanut taste than just a singular peanut.
It is a nut.
You're gonna make me say it. I need more nut.
It is almost entirely nut.
Chocolate shell.
What you want is a bag of peanuts.
Bag of peanuts doesn't come with a candy coating or chocolate.
No, I'd rather have actual peanuts over peanut M&Ms.
We didn't even finish the first round. We're already fucking having a stupid ass argument. Back to the gap.
Insert back to the gap. Yeah, fucking close enough. Don't look at it, just embrace it when it comes on.
I'm looking.
Don't look at it, don't say it, just embrace it. I want you to just embrace it when it plays.
I saw it.
I will refrain from looking.
Good, just embrace it when it comes up, y'all. Trust me.
Oh.
This is what we're murdering to. You are my fire, the one desire. Believe when I say I am on that way to leave. I have returned.
I still love the sound of J. Paul pouring probably wine into a glass.
It's gin.
You poured gin into a pint glass?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's my man right there.
If I'm getting shot from 63 meters away when I'm in a fucking staircase, I'm gonna need more gin.
Mosin Man is back.
Let's go, let's get over there.
You know the temptation right now.
I know. I felt the revolver on the back of my head.
It's a Makarov, excuse you.
Yeah, but
I didn't even need to do it.
Wow.
The
fact that hyenas are stinky. Motherfucker has ultra fucking instinct.
You're just not allowed to play the video game.
I'm alive. He just dodged all my shots. I literally shot at his head and he crouched after I pulled the trigger.
Oh, it's time to jam.
Like to ride my
Fragmentation Grenada.
69.
I gave you a chance, buddy, and you fucked.
I think so.
Okay.
Hello!
Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna go kill myself.
Hell yeah! I'm bringing the SG552. This cute little gun. This cute little gun. This cute little gun. This cute little gun.
I have ammo and 2 guns. Don't say it again.
I already did.
I don't know. Magazine.
Oh! I don't. Where's my Makarov? Where's my Makarov?
Didn't bring it. You didn't bring the beast that is the Makarov. There's multiple people. So never mind. You know what? It's not Makarov day.
You didn't bring the beast that is the Makarov.
That only works sometimes in 1v1s.
There you go. It's only 1v1s. If there's more than one, it's a toss-up.
I do a shotgun.
Yeah. That's
J. Paul,
life.
first kill has to be Makarov kill. Let's go.
Understood. Front door?
Front door.
I mean, I guess. Hey, ball! Bad throw!
I'm dead. I don't know why you followed me. I got fucking. This motherfucker just literally pointed and clicked. I had someone lined up. I was ready to go.
The first kill has to be of the other team.
That's what I meant. I meant that.
Like, I feel betrayed.
I didn't mean to.
You're gonna randomly die, and it's gonna be my fault.
J. Paul,
Don't go outside
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, I meant to blow myself up, but
yeah, sure you did.
I did. You didn't see me aiming an RPG at my feet.
I totally was not spectating you. I still can't fucking kill him with my gun. I have the Makarov still.
Oh fuck! I almost shot an RPG that way. You fuck.
I can play the game now.
Don't go up! Oh, I got this one, guys. I got this one.
Update, he did not in fact have this.
Okay, I must be rubber banding pretty fucking bad because I fired that RPG shot. I watched
Yes,
it
you did.
leave,
I also heard you fire it.
and it did not do it. It disappeared into the ether. One shot, that's it. There's no one left. Ah! I can't fucking see. Dan's burring.
Actually, that was J. Paul.
J. Paul's burring.
What the hell happened there?
What the fuck? What the fuck? 5 seconds ago I had 3 friends. And now I have 3 funerals to attend.
Nah, they're throwing us all in the same ditch. You only have to attend one.
True.
Bro understood the mission. He got 2 of us.
He said, I understand it now. Oh, there's no way they could have thrown it at the angle that it came into me at. Yeah, it came into me. Uh-huh.
You said it, not us.
I wish you 1,000 rats in your bed.
Hell yeah, rat bed.
Flash banging me.
Bullshit, I shot him.
Phone call.
It was for me and Dan.
Go, move!
Fucking nice.
Not nice.
Not
I killed
nice.
myself with the back.
You killed yourself with the back blast? How did you do that?
Because I fell off a cliff. That's what happened. I'm very perplexed, but I'm
Impressed
okay with
at the same time.
Exactly.
That's
Oh, they're
it.
coming down the stairs.
I think it's time to style on him a little bit. I think it's time to style on him a little bit.
Oh my god.
Yo, hey!
I got this. I don't got nothing.
Staircase.
Hey, I'm gonna load up.
I don't have that, but I do have a gun.
I gotta reload.
Go ahead.
I'm down the stairs. I'm reloading.
Yeah. There's some
They seem to
Molotov.
spawn really heavily on that staircase.
Yeah, they do. I need to reload.
I just got done reloading.
Perfect, take over. I'll find the Molotov. Yeah, throwing it. There's enemy there, just so you know. Dan. Thank you. Okay, I'm here now.
Son of a bitch!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
My god.
Please don't stand there, J. Paul.
Oh, what
Unless
the
you
fuck?
unless you don't
There.
want any more material.
Bro, I didn't know where the fuck you were.
Uh-oh, click.
I'm clicking.
I'm on the way.
I need to
I'm completely out.
I'm also clicking.
Okay, Molotov's there.
Okay, I am set up again. Please don't stand there.
I need a gun.
Walking in. Walking out.
You won't need a gun for very much longer if you stand there.
Well, for the other side.
For defense waves, do they just spawn until the timer's up?
No.
We did it!
No, they don't.
Oh my
Goddamn.
god.
We literally made it here and lost. Holy
That's what I
shit.
said last. I was like, I'm glad we got to the very end and then lost.
I didn't realize that was the last thing.
Excuse me?
The fucking...
What was that?
The